He whakarite I ngā kai. He whakarākei I ngā tēpū. He nui ngā mahi kei te aroaro o Te Rūnanga o Kaikōura.
I think it's been quite collective over the whole iwi, really, from different hapū, I suppose, giving us different taonga from the areas. You know, we've got koura, so that's always a blessed bonus to have. So heaps of seafood, heaps of meats, heaps of desserts, salads. So yeah, we're pretty sorted.
Ka tū te Hui-ā-Iwi mō Ngāi Tahu whānui ki roto o Kaikōura I tēnei tau. Ka matu ne kia atu te 2,000 o ngā tāngata, ka taetai mai ki runga I te whenua o Ngāti Kurī. E ai ki te māngai o Te Rūnanga o Kaikōura, a Rawiri Manawatu, he nui ngā kaupapa kei te haere.
We've got whale watching trips, we whānau can go out on the whale watch. We also have a hikoi up to Puhi Valley where people have a look through our native forest. We also have trips that are going to the whare tonga so people can see all the tonga that was dug up during the earthquake, and a lot of tonga that we've also had from the past from our tipuna as well. And then we've got of course Te Atakura, so it's going to be one of the highlights because Ngāti Kurī is going to be the best. We're really excited to have everyone come in from all of Ngāi Tahu to Kaikōura to be part of this experience with us.
Hau ngā tū I ngā kaupapa ngahau nei, ka tū he wānanga mai Te Rūnanga o Kaikōura e pāna ki tā rātou nekehanga hei Rūnanga.
I think the biggest issue for us really has been our northern boundary and what's been going on, and so the plan for us is to give the iwi an update on what we're doing up here. And since the earthquake we have probably 34 kilometres of cultural artwork dotted all along the coastline, dotted through the town, and you know, being able to put out our stories on the whenua, and so to be able to share that too will be part of our kōrero.
E ai kia Rawiri Manawatu, ko te hira-hiratanga o ngā whakaritenga, ko te whakakotahi mai o ngā whānau, Pakeke mai, rangatahi mai anō hoki.
Probably the special thing for me has been the practicing of kapahaka. Our young ones coming, turning up and learning, wanting to be part of. I think that's the special thing. You know, that whole kotahitanga, everyone coming together. Yeah, it's great. It's good to see. And you know, I look at our rangatahi, I look at our young, I look at our old, I look at our marae, our hapū, and I'm thinking we're looking good.
Ka timata te pōwhiri hei te haurua mai I te whākaraka I te ahiahi nei. A ka kōkiri te kaupapa o te Hui-ā-Iwi, tai noa ki te rātapu. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.